Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alpana's Green Paradise. So today I am going to show you my denim collection. So friends, I have few Opesum and few Arabicum and Soko. So today I am going to show you. Some of them are blooming. So friends, most of the plants, the name of most of the plants I do not remember, so pardon me for that. Whatever I remember, I'll mention it. So friends, this is green Arabicum. So this is called green Arabicum. So now it is not blooming, but pattern, the branching pattern and foliage and the codex is very beautiful. Over the years it has thickened, the codex has thickened. So this is green Arabicum. So friends, this is probably this is golden bell. I can't remember, I'm not sure. And one of my previous videos I have talked about it. So it is blooming profusely and it is one of my favorite. She's blooming. This is third times. This is the third time she is blooming, and in the spring season also she will bloom. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. My adenium collection. I have rearranged them. Initially it was distributed here and there. Now I have placed them together in 3 rows. This is how it looks from a distance. Yes friends, I'll give you the distant view. So this is how it looks, and far behind that is another stand. That stand also contain some of my Arabicum collection. So now Arabicum, green Arabicum I have shown you. This one is green Arabicum. This is also blooming. This is little bit leggy. This one I like very much. Can you see? The flower is very small and light pinkish in color. This is the first time she is blooming. Yes, last spring I think it bloomed, and this is the first. This is the time she is blooming. A bit in bunches. Yes, this is small variety, and color is also light pink, not like others. Yes, this is how it looks. Okay friends, next this is another variety. Her name also I have forgotten. This one is one of my favorite, and this is known as Taiwan strain. Probably you remember I have made a video on this Taiwan strain. Now it is not blooming, but I like her the tree appearance. Yes, it looks like a huge tree with a huge codex. And can you see from the top of the codex the branching pattern? Branches have emerged, and they are beautiful branches. And this chubby one, this is Goji. This is very chubby, like a cute baby, chubby baby. And can you see? So pretty and so cute. This is my favorite, Goji. Very cute, and branching pattern, see how beautiful it is. It is very thick, like a very fatty plump baby. Next, this one, it is also like a beautiful tree shape. It has a very beautiful tree shape, and at the top of the branches they are blooming. Not in bunches, but I like this shape. I like the shape of this plant. In front there are many, but they are not blooming. Now this is also blooming. Sorry, I can't remember the name. another one. This is also blooming. I think this one also I have made a video previously on this. It's also blooming. It's a huge one. It looks like it's a twin variety, not twin variety actually. Two trunks, same single trunk, but two branches, two main codex. Can you see? Let me show you. This is one stem, look like one stem. Another is this. It is joined here. From here only, it has the separate branches pattern has emerged. So that is why I am saying it as twin. So friends, this is how it looks. My adenium, they are blooming profusely at this moment, winter time. Though they are supposed to go to dormancy now, as it is winter. Though it is winter, actually the temperature is not dropping. It is the temperature has dropped only at the night and in early morning. And in spring season, I think they will give me lots of blooms, and definitely I'll again shoot them. So friends, this is my beautiful adenium collection. So I'd like to request all my viewers to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification as soon as I upload a new video. And do not forget to press the bell icon and the like button. Thank you friends. Until next time. Bye bye. Take care.